Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can report a pin for privacy violence on Pinterest. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on a pin which you want to report. Then, select three dots icon. After that, tap on report. And then, select privacy violation option. Now, select which kind of privacy violation it is. And then finally, tap on report option. This is how you can report a pin for privacy violation on Pinterest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.